If you are tired of high sediment and chlorine ruining your city water, the CuZn UC-200 under-counter water filter is for you. It doesn't take up any space and requires no filter replacements for up to 5 years. But it doesn't have NSF certifications for its contaminant removal claims. So, is it worth buying? In this video, we'll evaluate this under-counter filter based on contaminant removal, ease of installation, and maintenance to see if it's worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. CuZn removes chlorine and sediment using a powerful combination of KDF filter media, catalytic coconut shell carbon, and microsediment membranes. It's been lab tested to remove VOC, pesticides, and herbicides. A separate wide-spectrum model is available for households dealing with chloramine. However, it doesn't have an NSF certification, even though all independent tests show it reliably removes chlorine. Also, UC-200 is designed for use in municipal water supplies where lead levels meet the EPA's maximum contaminant level. You can choose their reverse osmosis system for more extensive filtration for a wider range of contaminants. On the bright side, if you're in a high sediment area like New York City, CuZn includes a complimentary sediment pre-filter to protect the system. So there shouldn't be any drop in water pressure or flow rate, and you can easily use water for all your daily chores without a sweat. Also, it's bacteriostatic, so it is resistant to mold and bacteria growth. With that, let's focus on its ease of installation and maintenance. You can connect the CuZn directly to your kitchen sink's cold water line without drilling holes. However, you have to install it vertically on its base. Start by turning off the cold water valve, usually located on the right side. Then, use a wrench to disconnect the cold water line. Connect that line to the filter's outlet and tighten it by hand, followed by a small turn with the wrench. Next, attach the included hose to the valve and the filter's inlet. Once everything is securely connected, turn on the cold water and let it run for about 30 seconds to flush out any air or debris. And that's it, you're clean. Filtered water is ready to use. Here's the best part. CuZn doesn't require filter replacements for its entire 5-year or 50,000-gallon lifespan, meaning zero maintenance costs. And if it doesn't last the full 5 years, CuZn guarantees a free replacement. However, the chloramine model has a slightly shorter lifespan, lasting around 3 years. The complimentary sediment pre-filter typically lasts about a year before needing a replacement. CuZn's customer support is truly top-notch. Whether you have issues regarding installation, low water pressure, or defects in the unit, their reliable customer service always comes to the rescue. So, is the CuZn UC-200 worth it? If you're looking for a compact, under-counter filter to tackle chlorine and sediment in city water, it's a solid choice. Its 5-year lifespan, no maintenance costs, and reliable customer support make it a low-hassle option. And if you are on well water, check out this video for 3 best sediment filter options that are working great in 2025.